Itest on the PSN News sanibona bafethu uvana lo, so I'm back again with indaba zala kwi-Betway Premiership, indaba zebhola zala eSouth Africa. So ibafana ke menikhumbula kahle iyadlala kuleli sonto leli. Iyadlala leli sonto naneStwick bayadlala kuleli sonto, badlala against iZimbabwe, badlala la eMozambique. Ozobe kuyigame ebhekwe ngamehla abovu. So ibheke ngamehla abovu cause bafana uma iwina leyo game leyo, iwina futhi negame elandelayo yeRwanda, basethubeni elihle kakhulu lokuthi bayiqualifyele iWorld Cup. Uma kodwa iBenin idropa ama-points against iNigeria, iphinde futhi idropa ama-points against iRwanda. So sithembele kulowo ma-team lawo ukuthi siqualify. But-ke judging by indlela iNigeria efuna ukuqualify ngakhona and looking at iside leBenin, I don't think iNigeria izoba nenkinga ngaleyo ndlela. So I see Nigeria iwina against iBenin. But-ke ibafana kumele nabo bazenzele umsebenzi wabo, bangathembeli kakhulu kubanye ama-club. Bona ngokwabo kumele bawine lama games awasale. Ngisalapho nje kuthiwa namhlanje bafethu umfukeng game enikhumbula kahle, he picked up an injury ngosikhathi iOrlando Pirates idlala against iSwelele kule game nje siphuma kuyona ngeweekend. Orlando Pirates ke umjida decide ukumkhipha on a stretch. Menikhumbula kahle vele umjida wesathana kubuya on a injury, yabo. I-first leg yelayo le-FC akayidlalanga, uma ngikhumbula kahle akayidlalanga i-first leg. I don't know if it's first leg or second leg, but akayidlalanga leyo match le because wathola i-injury umjida bafethu. Right now Orlando Pirates isamlolonga. I hope nje umjida uzokwazi abuye alulame abe right. Siyamdinga phela lapha bafana ku-World Cup, siyamdinga ku-AFCON. Orlando Pirates iyamdinga kakhulu Orlando Pirates. So mfuke engawuthi angalulama ashesha lulama. Umduduzo Shabalala bafethu uyena mdlali oreplace umfukeng lapha ku-national team. Let's hope umdu uzoyisebenzisa le opportunity ayinikezwa yona uHugo Broos. It looks like uHugo Broos uyathembela kakhulu kulo mjida lo, even though many players aqhuma uKaizer Chiefs engabalandi kakhulu, but I see ukuthi umjida uyathembela kakhulu kuyena. Hlezi ngimbona emlanda umdu seyika-2 manje kulandelana kuma-World Cup qualifiers embiza umdu Shabalala. Let's hope uzoyithola naye opportunity akwazi ukuthi adlale lapha. Ngiyangijabulisa kakhulu ukubona into ekanje. Kwesinye izindaba engizwile namhlanje kuthiwa amaZulu aseterminate i-contract yaBen Motswara. AmaZulu aseterminate i-contract yaBen Motswara. Manikhumbula kahle ke amaZulu recently basathanda kuphuma vele kwi-Carling Knockouts. Angazi kwenzakaleni behind the scenes, but ke kuthiwa the reason why it-terminatiwe it's because of ama-disciplinary issues. I'm sure kunento umjida ayenzile engekho right, engahambiselani neboard yeMamelodi Sundowns. Ngikhulumelana neteam engekho kwi-Carling Knockouts, i-team yamaZulu. So amaZulu amxoshile umjida. To be honest, I don't think umjida usazokwazi ukuthi asurvive njengoba ezoxoshwa nje amaZulu disciplinary umdala kanje. I don't think ikhona i-team ezokwazi ukuthi impick up, but ke let's hope ikhona i-team ezokwazi ukuthi imxosha. There are many teams akhona la ku-Betway Premiership, even Cape Town City yastrugglisha. They need players ukuthi bakwazi ukusuka lapha ezansi babuyele ku-Betway Premiership. Maybe we might see him resurfacing kwi-Cape Town City asas, but ke okwamanje i-contract yakhe with amaZulu terminatiwe. Namhlanje bafethu iMarumo Gallants isayine abadlali abawu-2, i-reveal abadlali abawu-2 kahle. I-center back nomdlali odlala esiswini. Abadlali abawu-2 baqhamuka le e-Ivory Coast. Umdlali wokuqala ubani udlala esenda lo Ibrahim Bantse. Mase ukuthi omunye umdlali olandelayo u-Erion, angikwazi ukulipronounce igama lakhe lomjida lo, but uyi-center back, yabo. Labajida ke let's hope bazokwazi ukuthi bayi-improve iMarumo Gallants after bekwazile vele ukuthi bayishaye iMamelodi Sundowns. It looks like ucoach weMarumo Gallants userious ngempela ekuyilungiseni iMarumo Gallants. Bayalungisa ngempela lapha indlela enza ngakhona umsebenzi wakhe siyawubona. Abathi amaningi ayamboka leyo coach leyo uMarumo Gallants. Let's hope into yakhe lapha izobe impumelelo, and let's hope ama-team amakhulu azokwazi ukuthi aye kuyena amnikeze i-contract ayokwazi ukuthi our coach. There are many teams like ku-Betway Premiership ashoda ngo-coach aba-right. There are many big teams la ku-Betway Premiership ashoda ngo-coach aba-right. Wangitshela ukuthi yiphi leyo team eshoda ngo-coach o-right, yiphi team emele uxoshwe ucoach, yiphi team emele isayine ucoach kuma-comments. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu Orlando Pirates announcile ukuthi uTshepo Moremi is the player of the month. Tsepa Moremi is the new player of the month Orlando Pirates. Umjida bafethu udlale kahle kakhulu kule nyanga siphuma kuyona. Kule nyanga nje siphuma kuyona yaSeptember udlale kahle kakhulu, so uyayideserve for me i-player of the month. But ke ngangitshela ama-comments ubani wena ngokwakho omunye umdlali uyideserve i-player of the month, but ke for me umjida udlale kakhulu. Champions League udlalile, kwi-league udlalile, even kwi-MTN udlalile, Carling Knockouts if I'm not mistaken. akadlala ngalowo dlela but ke yena umjito ube deserve impela ukuthi abe i-player of the month yaSeptember because ikhali knockout sidlale ngo-October kwezinye izindaba bafethu iZimbabwe neBafana izoba live ku-SABC 2 so ungatatazeli ungenzi nje okuningi uma ungahlala eThekwini ungayibukela live on SABC 2 ngoLesihlanu ngoFriday iyaqala igame ngo6 o'clock kodwa uma umuntu wala eKZN uma umuntu wala eThekwini kumele uthenge ithikithi uhambe uyobuka igame live le eMos Mabhida kumele kugcwale istadium kumele sigcwale bafethu amajita under 20 izolo bafethu ziwinile intwana bashaye iUSA ngo2-1 njengoba beshaya nje iUSA ngo2-1 bathole ithuba lokuthi bawodlala kula 16 bawotholana nje nenye yama team ekwazile ukuthi iphuma number 1 bawotholana neColombia bafethu mase ubheke iside layo South Africa bafethu under 20 amajita lona iside ngempela elinama club aqine ngempela mase ubheke iSpain mase ubheke iArgentina mase ubheke iMexico even iNigeria is a threat yabo even iColombia le club esiyodlala nayo so I hope abajita bazokwazi ukuthi basirepresente kahle badlale kahle kakhulu I saw imatch yabo izolo bafethu but I couldn't make a video I saw imatch yabo bangijabulise kakhulu indlela ade bedlala ngakhona bafethu paper 2 umjida iyakhombisa impela ukuthi udlala ibhola labantu abadala kuBetway Premiership most yalabo abadlali bayakhombisa ukuthi badlala nabantu abadala kuBetway Premiership bayithola igame time kuBetway Premiership iyonto esifuna ukuyibona le bafethu these players are representing us very well in that big stage yalapha ku-World Cup kwezinye izindaba futhi engingayithandanga engizwile kuthiwa ngosikhathi ade khuluma lapha nabeyindaba uassistant coach lo weKaizer Chiefs uthe ngodaba lika goalkeeper lo Ntwara uthi it's something that we are gonna handle internally he said that he feels confident to continue but it's something that we will address kuthiwa lolu daba lwakhe umjida bazol-addressa udaba lakhe because lento ayenzile ayihambiselani neclub lento ayenzile ukudelela ukubona coach ngokubona coach uthi umjida odlala 19 minutes evimbe kahle bamkhiphe bazofaka uvuma ongakazi abambeshe ipenalty eyodwa kwezinye izindaba bafethu uMamelodi Sundowns chairman uHlopi Motsepe noKenan Simons oyingane kaJessica Mtaung bazothola ama-SAFA C coaching license yabo bafuna nje ungenela ama-SAFA C coaching license bafuna ukuba ucoach nabo ngokwabo bafuna ukuba nabo nje lezo ziqu lezo zokuthi bakwazi ukuthi kuyo coach okungithusa kakhulu ngiyakubona lokho kuyingane kaJessica Mtaung but uHlopi Motsepe oyingane kaMotsepe lo weSundowns yena right now uchairman weMamelodi Sundowns uyena ofuna i-coaching license ufuna nje ukuyibambela ngokwakhe lapha izinto yibheda impela ufuna ukuyibambela ngokwakhe because mekunje kubi ngempela but ke silindele umbiko ozoqhamuka kuyena ozosho ukuthi uyahamba ucoach assistant coach yaseZimbabwe bafethu kuthiwa uTakeshaw Chiragwe has stepped down from his role just days before facing Bafana after slapping a player during a match this past weekend wehlile esihlalweni after eshaye umdlali igama lakho Takeshaw bangambiza ngo-Take 5 ningakhohlwa bafethu ungifollowa lapha ka-Instagram nguVane Sports ngiyatholakala yona ka-Instagram Vane Sports ungafika usearch nje lapha account yami entsha le ngiyayibona nje ayinakabi nama-followers amaningi ngajabula kakhulu ukuthi ungifollowe mengiyibonile ifollow yakho ngizokufollowa back ngiyabonga kakhulu bafethu for i-support